guys, we're back again. Resume episode 2, Jamaican driving lesson. So, hey hi.
Hi guys, kind of look, it's raining so heavily. My first time driving in rain, so I'm kind of I'm not scared, but I'm cautious.
Yeah man, look on the road. Be a rain. Come better, slow down. Slow down.
I'm going slow.
Yeah, this good, this feel better.
That was like, I'm at 50 something.
Yeah, that's fast.
This is so slow.
That's fast, you're stage ready right now.
I'm insulted.
I'm insulted.
I'm insulted.
No man, take your time, corner, slow down.
Alright.
Alright, so we're passing a very dangerous corner. You know the corner kind of...
From before, guys, this is the corner that we said like people always meet an accident coming down. So we have to be super careful right now.
Yeah.
Yep, let me slow my road. This is such a contrast to other day though.
Yeah man,
Like,
take your time.
sun hot and now we're in the rain.
Alright, when you're driving in the rain now, people know you have to drive slow. When you approach the corner, you have to make sure you slow down. You understand? Because rain and normal slippery.
You might start hydroplaning. Big word.
Right, hydroplaning. Yeah.
That's for people who don't know. Hydroplaning is when the tires are actually gliding on top of the water and not on the road surface itself. So that can happen if you're going too fast on the wet road.
Yeah. Come up on my side. Wow. Return stay up on your side.
Oh my god, that wasn't so bad.
That was bad. She took a corner like way over to the next person.
No, but I was still over my side.
You're still over your side, but you're not the exactly on the person, on the next car.
And the white line?
Yes, you're not
No, the car
exactly
didn't even move.
The car didn't even move, but you don't need it. Try staying at the middle of your border. Where you there? Try staying at the middle.
Try staying on my lane, alright.
Try staying in your lane, yeah. Stay in your lane. Alright. So
it's dry now, so I can speed up.
No, in a dry. But dry. Where you get dry from? Rain stop fall, that means it's dry. Rain stop fall, the road is a little bit damp, so you got to keep your pace.
Whoa. You know, there are more cars on the road now than usual.
Yeah. What you say? Alright, so we soon reach where we want to go. You see me? Come Britain, Middle Road. Alright, so we are going on one road where we have a whole heap of corner. Whole heap. Why? Patrol there, Jamaica, man. Patrol. So we're going on a road which have a lot of corners. Come take a time to patrol them. Yeah, it's the next day. Come, slow down, slow down. You know we don't like patrol.
I'm at like close to 0. Oh my god. Look at that.
But I follow them.
Up on this.
Still don't go on and stay up on your side and take time go to patrol. Yeah, no. Alright, hold on.
The rain come catch you back.
Yeah man, the rain come again. So, alright. So
I'm gonna turn on the left.
Alright, yeah. So where we are going now, I want to look at a place
that we call a Springfield?
Yes. Yeah, Springfield. So whole heap of little turn.
Trust me. And the road kind of narrow too, you know?
Yeah man, road narrow. Whole heap of turn. So you get a good practice.
Crawling.
See it?
Crawling.
Road narrow.
And we crawling.
I don't think you can pass on the road without chuck. You want one chuck. Sorry for you.
we have to like.
Yeah, man, you want to chuck, you have to like squeeze off of the road from one little side.
And there's no little side. There's like
gully. No little side, there's
no
gully.
little side. So you just stop. Oh, we could have parked over there, so if we reach it, so.
So you reach it, so.
Rolling. This is a little hill that you couldn't tell because it looks kind of smooth.
Alright, guys. Narrow road with corners. So, this is the difference with driving on the main.
Yeah. The road is good, you know, like you don't have much patrol, but.
Is it?
Gully.
Gully over there, sir.
Car behind me gonna pass me out. I bet you that man is saying it's a woman driving.
Yeah, man.
Why do people have this thing that if nobody goes extra slow on the road, I'm a woman?
Well, majority of the time they're right, you know. Majority of the time they're right.
Like
anytime you see one car go slow or you look away, majority of the time a woman a drive. But I see one woman already when I say I stick she a drive and though she angle the camera and say, boy, I wonder if she can drive better than me. But I don't think so. She can't drive better than me.
What? Who says?
Oh, me said that. Yo.
Did you kiss your corner? That was a big corner.
Yeah.
Relatively big corner.
Alright. A lot of corners. So, when you're going around the corner, you know you got to like blow your horn. Yeah.
It's deep.
If it's deep. Like you can't see. Yeah. Like no, you can't see around the corner. Blow your horn.
What's wrong with that truck?
I got some farming business.
Yeah. Looks that way.
See, I'm talk about Chuck. Yo.
What else?
Wow.
I was not gonna go over there.
Business. I just have to hold the steering for a while.
I almost have my heart in the oh my god.
Don't worry yourself. That's what I'm talking about, guys.
Did you hear the
Yeah. Oh, come on, my God. Rocks on the corner. You got to.
But it was it.
Well, you see, this is where I get scared, you know, because the corners are closed and the chucks, and she's just learning. So when you see like she made a close call, you want to grab the steering and help her. Yeah, I gotta do that a lot.
Which is not often. I was
Which is not often.
Hey.
No, alright.
Give me my props.
Alright, listen. Me did have to do it often in the first. When me just did that teacher, me did have to do that often. Me did have to grab the steering often, people, you know?
That's not true.
Because I was go over like you want to go over in a gully. I don't want to look at something there. When I just start drive, you hurt. She hurt. Honestly, when she just start practice, me have to hold the steering often. Because you know.
You know, I'm
go, alright, what you can you know?
Listen, don't pressure me. Chuck.
Watch out.
Look here.
White. Watch it.
What you have to say? What you have to say?
Me give her 60% right.
Oh, I give 60. Alright, fine.
Yeah.
You know, I don't like when people grade me too easy anyway, because I want to be the best. And I'm learning from the best.
Yes, you should learn from the best. Yeah, I'm the best.
So, I don't mind the hard grade. I don't want an easy 100. No.
I
have to work for it.
Yep. I have to work for everything in our life, isn't it?
Amen.
Yeah, and during this driving lesson, we want to say, stay strong, Jamaica people.
Yeah.
Time, look on her. You see right there, sir?
Tractor, yo.
You see the white squall pop mode right there, sir?
I didn't know that bad.
Can't see me lip drive. But not that bad. Me hungry, you know. Me hungry.
Everybody hungry. What do you mean?
You know these days. Me hungry.
Mango just jump off a tree.
Yeah, we should in the man that the mango tree there.
Right?
Why?
Listen, anybody who have mangoes and want to give we,
we'll take it.
We'll take it.
Yeah, man. Definitely take it.
You know how every Jamaican yard don't have a mango tree?
Why, you know, so I think of the island in liquor.
True. Where we're from, guys, the lands are so small. Even around here, look at this. They're smaller than ours.
Smaller, but you have tree.
But you have tree, whoa. So that means that we need to
No,
build smaller houses to make some space for the fruit
you can't build
trees.
smaller. It's hard to build smaller houses, you know. Because right now, kids, people need space.
And the land already small. True.
And the land already smaller and you need a lot of space. See your road there? See your road narrow?
No.
Narrow road.
Look at the white line and...
Alright, so go close, watch out. It's a close call. If you're close to carry them, kind of stretch out me and touch it. Very narrow road. So this is where I give her most of our practice, guys.
There's someone parking on the narrow road on a corner. Well, it's not that deep of a corner.
Not that deep of a corner, but you're not chuck to pass yourself. Our next carry that kind of hard. So this is where I give her most of her training, so she can get the whole of the steering.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, corner again.
Slowing down, turning.
Alright. Come. So if we piece of road liquor.
Right?
Just come like I carry a load up on the little spot right there. Slow down, yeah.
See, the guy all have to come up on my side.
Very narrow.
Because it was too narrow.
So we're in, what place him again?
A Springfield.
Springfield. I don't know, yo. I just know say when you come on the side, then call it Springfield.
But we've gone far up, so.
Well, I don't know, probably a Springfield name too.
What name?
It's probably the same name because when I reach the spring it. There's a spring. I'm going to show you guys the spring.
There's a spring on here for you?
Yeah. I'll show you the spring. Come from the mountain, so you know say.
Oh yeah. That means it still brings.
You come from the mountain and come under the road in a while ago.
Wow, Jamaica is so beautiful.
Come, go, watch the jump, Britain, watch the jump.
I saw the jump. What's wrong with you?
I like how you're close up to the jump.
Relax, Bill.
Oh, yourself. Slow down.
I see the sink.
Oh, you see the sink, yeah. Yeah, man, you have to pay attention on the road. Alright, when driving, you got to pay attention. Like, you have to have a distance of your glance. You have to look out and you have to look on the road. So you don't look exactly at your foot.
You have to look everywhere.
You have to look everywhere, yeah.
Because you have to look beside the road. You have to look.
Alright, so you have to like get used to your eyes if you can just have a broad lens. You have a channel your eye in a broad lens. Because when she did just drive, to me,
I was looking right down on the road.
She was looking right down, and if she was looking right down, she fish switch.
I saw it.
And she fish, you saw it, but you can't go so close. You don't go so close to those things. My give me a heart attack. Watch your life post.
Me see the light post. Alright.
Alright. Wow.
I'm gonna middle the road.
No, I'm making a road. Don't make a road in me. No, I did. Alright, the road is very close, you see me? So you have to watch it. You have to just know the body of your car and the wheel where the wheel am go. Just a while ago you see like I have to grab the steering again because in myself I feel that she got too close to the corner. And you don't want to drive to the corner, you don't know what kind of corner, like a splinter, some form of nail or something like corner. So it's not good to drive in gravels or drive too close to the corner. Alright, so you know what you have to do now. Take your time. Go on, man,
Is
go on.
this the corner with the like
Take your time, slow down. Take your time and go through. Wait, ooh. Come out of the bush, come out of the bush. Come out of the bush.
Yeah.
Alright.
The man you drive slow though, bro.
Take your time, take your time. Alright. Make a look of blue and ground. Put on the blinker and ground. Because the road is normal enough, people. Not a normal road.
Not an easy road.
Probably an easy day. And a better road. You see me I say? You got yourself Bojo Bantan. Big loud.
So, we do hope you guys are
enjoying
the video.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, for liking, for commenting, for subscribing. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, so yeah. Back to the narrow road. So if you blow you on, you can't see anything around the corner. Hold up, hold up. Come like she drive right in the bush, not you.
You know what?
Alright, so you put on your blink and you go up on the side, right? So. Wait, don't go over yet. Yeah, right, so. Slow down, better. Take your time. Go down, take your time. Go down on the side. And show people them spring.
Oh, this is where it is.
Alright, hold it, listen. Can't part, listen. Alright, guys, we're gonna show you the spring now. This is the spring.
Oh, really?
Let the rain. Okay. Yeah. Right. Alright, just gonna show you a quick look of the spring and then go back in the car because it's like drizzling right now. Wow, there's a bird. Where is he? It's like hiding in the bush. Flag on.
I love this type of thing.
The bird.
Look at the palm trees.
Bird. The yellow and black bird. Wow.
And there are a lot of them. You probably can't hear them, but there are a lot of them.
Alright. One thing I tell about them water and the people. Alright. So the water flow from me. So as you can see, they put a border right there. So no one comes over this side because the water is flowing from here, coming out of the mountain. It's barely
trickling out. But
yeah, you can see it's enough. It's trickling out from the mountains under the road. Yep, that's the beauty of Jamaica. And the border. And this
over
is
here, it's like aqua.
Yeah, here's like where the people swim. Yep. People catch water up. I thought.
Don't give me a heart attack.
I guess that one. I wonder if you can see any fish. You see the fishes? Yep.
The bottom of it is blue.
Bottom is blue and you got some little fish in it. This is the spring. You can see, yeah, this is it. This is it. Oh, one thing about them water, you know, them water are cold. Water are very cold. That's why you say I don't touch it. I know.
And then rain falling. So.
Yeah. These waters are very cold.